Hello, crypto fam. Today we're going to be covering three pieces of hot crypto news that you should really be paying attention to. And if you haven't already, do subscribe, drop a comment, and click that bell icon and help us support the channel to bring you more crypto news and opinion. So today on the first topic is Hedera is launching a stablecoin issuance and management solution. And due to that, the HBAR price jumped. Now, the Stablecoin Issuance and Management Toolkit Stablecoin Studio. Now, it's going to provide an all-in-one stablecoin tool for Web3 platforms, some industrial users, different enterprises, and payment providers to actually utilize the Hedera network services to quickly configure and issue and manage those exclusive stablecoins on the network itself. Now, Shane Higdon, he's the co-founder and the CEO of Hbar Foundations. Now, he said, quote, for stablecoins to be widely adopted into mainstream payments and usage, stablecoin issuance and management needs to be customizable for any and all use cases. Stablecoin Studio provides the programmability, accelerating the era of modular and interoperable stablecoins for corporations, financial institutions, and even retail. So we have JP Morgan, Stone Bank, SCB, TechX, and PayPal, and some others can actually leverage the Stablecoin Studio, and this is going to be able to build and manage those applications. Also, Hedera native KYC and the AML account flags and configurations ensure regulatory compliance and security. Also, with Hedera's predictable fees, high programmability, and their robust network of ecosystem partners, makes stablecoin issuance and management more simple. Speaking about the price of HBAR is about 0.48. So it jumped around 3% from the announcement, and the 24-hour low and high are about 0.0466 and 0.483 respectively. The trading volume actually decreased, though, 25% in the last 24 hours, and that's indicating that some whales or traders are actually taking the opportunity. But the price did skyrocket around 15% after the announcement of FedNow, and that's because they're supporting the Hedera Power Drop micropayments platform. Now, the Hedera price soared around 25% in a month, even with the new partnerships. In the next piece of news that we have, is about Coinbase, and that's because they're deciding on Bitcoin Lightning Network integration because it's promising faster transaction. Brian Armstrong, which is CEO of Coinbase, said that the exchange has actually decided to integrate the BTC Lightning Network after several months of questioning by the crypto community. All of this took place today, September the 13th, on X, Twitter, if you still go by that name. Now, Armstrong stated that some of the exchanges was willing to do its part enabling a faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions because the flagship asset was the most important cryptocurrency in the entire industry. Now, Layer 2 payment protocol was built on Bitcoin. That is the Lightning Network. This solution facilitates quicker and more cost-effective transactions among the network nodes. Now, the primary goal is to actually, well, pay attention to scalability and challenges faced by Bitcoin and actually enhance the user satisfaction and potentially will spur increased usage of the blockchain network altogether. Now, he didn't really give any insight or a definite timeline on when the platform would complete the integration, and he said that the Lightning Network will take some time to integrate, so go ahead and be patient. Well, I think we all are if we're talking about crypto in general. But Victor Bunin, the exchange's protocol specialist, is leading the integration effort, so hopefully everything will go to plan. Now, August the 2nd, there was a post. Bunin invited the community to actually speak with him and, well, with input on various integration aspects like support, the enhancements for users, and open source tools, service providers, and even addressing some potential edge cases. Now, that's suggesting all in all that Coinbase is actively engaging with the user base to ensure a robust and user-friendly Lightning Network integration. And our next news that we have is the amount of Ethereum that is leaving exchanges. Kind of a big moment. So there's a data dump into the block, and that revealed a puzzling trend. So now there was around 640,000 Ethereum that actually left the exchanges, and because of this Ethereum from trading platforms, it was not exactly on anyone's bingo card. And given Ethereum's recent market performance, Ethereum is actually priced around $1,500, so 1,598 to be exact. So the big question for everyone is actually what is causing this unexpected dynamic? Well, here's some insight for you, right? So the accumulation, right? So the outflow is a bullish sign, and it shows that investors are actually hoarding Ethereum for a long run. But that Ethereum's long run performance has actually been quite bearish, so the accumulation is not really too sure, but it's still possible. So investors could be seeing the I'm sorry, the opportune moment to stock up on Ethereum's at a lower price point. And another way to kind of pay attention to this is the de-risking in portfolios, right? So some whales actually may be liquidating their Ethereum holdings because they have actually lost faith in the asset altogether, or let's just say to diversify the portfolios even. So in a volatile market, putting all of your eggs in a basket is not a good idea. And if so, it's a rare one. Now, so the sudden drop in exchange reserves also opens up conversations about the liquidity, and reduced liquidity could actually lead to increased volatility, which traders actually always keep an eye on. All right, guys, so now you have it. Ethereum could be jumping up or it could be actually crashing. Only time will tell. Stay tuned. Be sure to hit the bell icon and leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me.